Oh God, Dad, have you gone crazy? Why are you cutting my sunflower painting? My school painting competition is starting in just 1 hour. If you don't stop, I'll call Mom, and then she'll beat you up really badly.
No, sweetheart, please don't do that. Listen to me for a moment. I'm not cutting your sunflower painting. I'm just removing a little extra piece of wood, so your painting can look even more beautiful. And who knows, maybe you'll even win first prize in your competition.
Wow, Dad, this looks really amazing. But Dad, you make YouTube videos day and night.
You're absolutely right, my child. But I truly believe that the people who watch my videos have very kind hearts. So all right, friends, if you're a real Ronaldo fan, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and type CR7 in the comments. And if you're a Messi fan, like the video, subscribe to the channel and type Messi in the comments. Look, my child, your sunflower painting is all finished.